It's okay to get this stuff done. People get things augmented all the time. This is just something that you're just bringing back to life and bringing the youth back.
Oh, it's like watering a fern. Celebrities like Joey Fat One could be the reason we're seeing an increase in hair transplantation for men. A new study showing that hair restoration surgery is up 27% since 2012. Some other celebrities who may have gotten the procedure. Basketball star LeBron James.
Oh, yeah. No doubt.
No doubt.
Okay.
The headband's not going to hide that. Actors Kevin Costner and John Travolta. Perhaps you've heard of him. Wow, look at that. No longer follically challenged. One doctor says men getting hair transplants, it's like women getting Botox. The shame is gone. Bernie, we've got great news for you.
Yeah.
The procedures are so much better than ever.
I tell you what, you guys brought this up to ball shame me, and I tell you, it feels good. No, don't. It feels good to be a victim. I like that feeling.
You're
I'm
like
a
Hillary
victim.
Clinton.
You guys are picking on me.
No, we're not.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Listen, if it looks good on you, if you're young, you're still in the game, and it makes you feel good, and it actually it doesn't look like Chuck Schumer or Joe Biden's hair plugs.
Ooh, that's because
then go for it.
The transplantation process is refined. It's better than ever. Is a bald guy a deal breaker for you looks-wise if you're looking at me?
No way.
You would still take on a bald guy?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
No, I mean, if he's confident and he's a great guy and he's funny and...
Have you ever dated a bald guy?
No, I can't.
Well, there we go.
Not yet.
Science.
Not yet.
Thank you
Not
very
yet.
much.
Not
Come
yet.
on, take it easy. What kind of question is that?
Although
kind of-
I'm going
it's
to
an
say,
honest one,
if
Bernie.
you are starting to lose your hair, my recommendation would be to start to supplement it. Like, don't wait until you go fully bald and then put the hair back on top.
Like me.
'Cause
Never
then
go
it's
full
weird.
McGirt.
That's so mean. What if the guy just wants to be who he is and be au natural?
That's what I don't have a problem with au natural.
I thought
I'm
you
not
just
saying
suggested
they
he should start
No,
supplementing.
Oh, nothing wrong with
Good
it.
advice, what she was saying.
No, if a guy is starting to lose his hair and he wants to supplement it, I'm not saying that he should. It's his head. He can do
Not
what
a
he wants with
baseball
his head.
cap. Come on.
No, then he should start sooner than go
Harris
fully
is
bald.
quiet.
And
That's
then,
right.
Harris, you can't get out of this.
Yeah, I mean, anything a guy wants to do to make himself feel better about himself, I'm all over that. But it doesn't really matter to me.
Oh, see that?
nice.
That's nice, but you were mean.
I'm not mean.
I'm a
I
victim.
love you, Bernie.
Mean to Bernie.
I know
I like the feeling.
And his bald head.
I mean, if I were going
I'm
bald, I
agreed.
would do something about it. But that's just me.
Me too.
All right. We're gonna